Hello everyone. Welcome back to your English speaking course. Today is lesson 19, and we are going to talk about something very important, English for emergencies. Yes, this lesson can literally help you save yourself or someone else in real life. Imagine you are in another country, or even just in your own city, and something unexpected happens. You lose your bag, you get hurt, or someone needs medical help. You must know how to ask for help in English clearly, quickly, and confidently. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to ask for help in different emergency situations, explain your problem clearly to police, doctors, or strangers, use polite and powerful emergency phrases, stay calm and confident in any urgent moment. So, let's begin this life-saving English lesson. Part 1. Understanding emergency English. An emergency is any serious or dangerous situation where you need immediate help. In such moments, your words matter because they help others understand what's wrong. Let's learn the most useful emergency vocabulary first. Word, meaning example, sentence emergency means a serious, dangerous situation, there's an emergency. Someone call 911. Accident means something bad happens suddenly, he had a car accident. Ambulance means vehicle that takes sick or injured people to the hospital, call an ambulance, please. Police means people who help keep law and order, I need to report a theft to the police. Fire means burning that causes danger, there's a fire. Help. Stolen means taken without permission, my bag was stolen. Hurt injured means physically damaged or in pain, I'm hurt. My leg hurts. Unconscious means not awake, he's unconscious. Please help. Part 2. How to ask for help, simple and polite ways when something bad happens. You can ask for help in these ways. Basic phrases, help please, I need help. Can you help me, please? Something's wrong. Please call the police. Please call an ambulance. I don't feel well. Polite but urgent ways, excuse me, sir, ma'am. I need help right now. Could you please help me? It's an emergency. Please hurry. It's serious. Remember, speak clearly, slowly, and use gestures if the person doesn't understand your language. Part 3. Health emergencies. Talking to a doctor or paramedic if you are hurt, sick, or someone around you is injured. Here's what you can say. Useful phrases, I think I broke my arm. I feel dizzy. I can't breathe properly. My friend has fainted. There's been an accident. He's bleeding. She's unconscious. At the hospital or clinic, doctor. What happened? You. I slipped and fell down the stairs. Doctor. Are you in pain? You. Yes. My back hurts a lot. Doctor. How long have you felt like this? You. Since this morning. Doctor. Do you have any allergies? You. No, I don't. Pro tip. Always learn how to say your blood type, allergy, or medication name in English if you travel abroad. It's very useful. Part 4. Police situations. Reporting theft or lost items. Sometimes emergencies are not about health, they're about safety or crime. If you lose something or it gets stolen, you can use these phrases. Useful vocabulary word, meaning, example. Stolen means taken by someone illegally, my wallet was stolen. Lost means misplaced something, I lost my passport. Pickpocket means a person who steals from pockets, I think a pickpocket took my phone. Report means tell the police, officially. I want to report a theft. At the police station, sample dialogue, police officer. How can I help you? You. My wallet was stolen at the bus stop. Police officer. When did it happen? You. About 20 minutes ago. Police officer. Can you describe the person? You. He was wearing a black jacket and cap. Police officer. Okay, we'll file a report. Key phrases, I want to report a lost item. My phone has been stolen. I lost my bag. It happened about an hour ago. Here's my ID. Part 5. Fire. Accidents and dangerous situations. If you ever face a fire, accident, or dangerous moment, these are the most important phrases to use in case of fire. 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 There's smoke. Call the fire department. Get out of the building. Stay calm. Follow me. In case of an accident, there's been a car accident. Someone is hurt. Please stop and help. Call an ambulance, quickly. He's trapped in the car. If you witness something dangerous, be careful. Watch out, stay away from the road. Don't touch that. Part 6. Common emergency phone conversations. Let's practice how to talk during an emergency phone call. Example 1. Medical emergency. Operator, emergency services. What's your emergency? My friend collapsed. He's not responding. Operator, is he breathing? Yes, but very slowly. Operator, stay on the line. The ambulance is on its way. Example 2. Fire emergency operator. Fire department, what's the problem? There's a fire in my building on the second floor. Operator, is everyone out? Not sure. Please hurry. Example 3. Theft. Operator, police emergency. How can I help? Someone stole my bag near the station. Operator, are you injured? I'm fine, but my passport is gone. Emergency numbers. Common examples. 911 USA, Canada, 999 UK, Pakistan, Malaysia 112, Europe, many countries. Part 7. Emotional control and calm communication in emergencies. People often panic. But your goal is to stay calm, speak clearly, and give short, useful information. What to do? Breathe deeply before speaking. Speak slowly and clearly. Give location first. I'm at Main Street near City Mall. Then explain what happened. There's a man who fell down. Then say what you need. Please send an ambulance. Even if you're scared, clear English can save time and lives. Part 8. Practice with me. Role play time. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Help. I need a doctor. Call an ambulance. Please, my bag was stolen near the park. There's been an accident. I'm feeling dizzy and weak. Fire, please help. Now, you try saying them faster but still clear. Well done, my friends. You've just learned how to handle any emergency in English with confidence and calmness. Today's lesson was not just about English, it was about safety, confidence, and courage. Now you know how to call for help, talk to doctors or police, and explain problems quickly. In our next lesson, Lesson 20, we'll learn English for daily problems, complaints, and solutions. How to talk when something goes wrong in hotels, shops, or restaurants. But it's not an emergency. So make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell icon, and keep learning English with me every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.